Ano na pong kuwan?
Okay na. Start na na lang.
Putangin na numero, kaya ano paglawag sa lakon.
Malakas na to.
Ano rin sa snake? How do retro lang ginagawa ng adlo ka din. Matulog pa na. Di na
Ano man, anong sinakrisaw? Haga mo.
Pagduhan sila kayo mo pag-technical. Sala ka rin.
sama naman sunod. Kung magbuhan yan ay technical nila.
Ay, sorry. Anong concern nila? Why sila jersey?
May 28 doon.
Doblega ang 38.
Ari ba na oh?
Same sila yung jersey.
Wala ka na yan. Wala ka na yan.
Hobi na, pinawagon ka. Adugay-dugay yan. Ngayon lang.
Why commanding piya?
Gusto mo lawagon ka? Hindi naman, sa kadugay.
Ay, dagdag ko.
Hindi naman paglawagon ka sa kadugay.
Oh, 3 taon. Grabe sa piya ko.
Chat Davis si ano, be? Chat Davis si
Kaya naman ang
Yan,
pera.
Jinde.
Na? Di na sa?
Sagli.
Sa piya ka na, diga!
Hoy, dalopi yun na.
James.
Kompleto na eh. Kompleto? Kaya lawagon ta? Pula isa?
Ang doble. Ito na yung doble. Ito yung doble man. Nabuwas.
Ay, ito si... May na doble.
Chatan ko lang.
Ay, yun yun. Lagi din mo. Sadya.
Saan pa na ako? Wala lang yan. Wala lang.
Kaya ka tiyo ko.
Ha? Di daw ka tindog yun.
At chat ko, be. Hindi ka.
May saksyon mo na nga ba lawagon mo sila?
So this is our semi-final round. The game between Mamba against Little Remix. The players for the Mamba. As your name is called, please proceed at the center court. Number 14, Justin. Number 21, Prince. Number 20, Cutie. Number 11, Felix. Number 8, Jumel. Number 7,
Dalongga.
Juliano. Number 7, Duran. Number 20, Ro. Number 19, Indy. Number 16, Pinante. Number 28. Number 3, Casey. Number 20, Rahim. Number 2. Bloomer, number 30, Austin, number 25.
Ito ba sa nasa butang nyo tayo? Apelido? Nangangalan mo na eh?
For the Little Minutes, we have number 15, Corina.
Okay lang, no?
Number 1, Cañete. Number 7, Tapugos. Number 8, Cañete. Number 5, Lisa. Jersey number 14, Original. Number 19, Libaw. Number 26, Andres. Number 20, Yason. Wearing jersey number 24, Tapugos. Naluban, number 11, Magbarbo, number 21, and Piamonte. Number 2. With your coach, Bingo Galili and King Ivy of Lily Omampa.
Download ka na apps nga rotational control kasi ang mga landscape sa mga live.
Okay. Kaya gama mo, okay lang. Okay lang na sa gama mo.
Sa pag-aling sa mga plan tao, ginagawa nila sa
Amo na sa kampal ka, hindi may dog na sa gama. Amo na yung
kaya sa kalan.
Kahit sa gama. Pero naka-auto naman ang
Support. Ako lang doon. Kaya ang additional control. Download nila.
Ang numero nila na inside na sa mga
Siya, wag sa pang ginakaulan tao.
Hindi kita nung tadi sa live oh.
Diyan. Diyan.
Marami ma-answer.
Kagawas, ang yabi sang switch na ako, takuan nyo na dan di prano, kaya base kung alas 9 naman tali ang puton.
Sige nang.
Kung sino
Ano
na
ba, no?
nakapot sang yabi, pao na dan di prano.
Kaya dyan mo na misa? Ano misa ka lang? Why day lang?
So, handshake.
Naubog ko gabi. Sabi ko kasi, ito, prepare ako, ano yan,
Sabi nang yung ano na yun.
First specimen for the Mamba, we have number 14, number 21, number 23, and number 11. And number 8. And for the Little Lyrics, we have Corina, Cañete. Number 1, number 7, Cañete number 8, and Lisa number 5.
Palantaw ko sa...
Napakita sila rin. Ako yung gano'n ano ah.
Wala na naman pinakatulog na sa unsa.
Full na to?
Hindi naman lang kung saan pinakatabigan.
Lima man ang tumatim kita. Nakita niya yun. Lima tumatim.
Jumbo between Lisa and number 11. Cornelia of Mamba. This is the set piece in the round by Santos. Cañete. Baseline very to the front. Back to the front. Lisa to the front. Basket for Santos. Here's the synergy represented by Santos of Little Lyrics. We have number 14. Aluna. George Correa. Basket for Correa. The first segment, a 2-out. Correa. Take a double by the letter. George. Ball to the line number 21. Massa out of bounds. Vamos. Autoriza. Desde base, pues. Intercepted. Desde Correa. Manda. After that, to Alba. 4 against 2. Corella, lead the ball. Looking for opening. Corella, receives the ball. Looking by number 12, Party Gray. Corella. On the block. Ito shade, opening by Renson. Sa Corella, number 15. We have now Corella. Playing the point for the Little Knights. Looking for an opening to Cañete, the left of the wing. On his way to Reina. Good. Alex Cañete, good. Scramble for the ball. Hello now. Lead the ball. Against Cañete, running counter of Palacios. Now, motion is to Reina. That's his way. At the front goal. Down to Cañete.
Banding number 8, putis doon siya team number 8.
Warning, race number 8. Hindi na pala.
Kung nalipay ka, may pagaling mo yan.
Alvarez on the inbound. Alvarez on the baseline. For a basket for two. Marulan. Playing the point for the Manda. Looking for Alvarez. It's happened to go well behind. Back to Marulan. Nasa sa tabang.
Puro lang. 14.
Corella. Cañete, she does. It's down. Acaban by Cañete, Sinasa. Nasa.
18 ba niya?
Vallejo. To Roland. Wala. Looking robbery. University. Alba. Oh, chosen by Cañete, number 1. 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. Cañete down to Ramos. Leaders. There was a contact. Pick up a foul. The foul was shot against number 23. Foul by Pangamba. Time down to 4 minutes and 7 seconds. With a score.
4.
4 against Deadman 4.
Wala mong basta.
Hey, muna ka dito tayo. Muna ko sa backboard ko.
Mag-review.
Laban mo yung tennis ko. Hindi ka tennis. Hindi ka parang karanda.
Back to the ball game. The first passer of the game. Time down to 4 minutes and 7 seconds. General Burgos of the Channel Play to wicket 7. First shots by Tacuros. For a basket for making the score. 5 against 4. Second time.
Araw, tagali din din. Araw din.
Alasa sa Bronx. Roland logging. Gano Balden. Back to Roland. Alba. Nasas. Shot clock on to 13 second shot clock. Solatorio. Yes, black. Ball to get by Roland. Watching his way. Roland. Taking shots. Too strong. Ball to get by Cañete. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Cañete. On his way. There was a contact. The foul was shot at charge number 23. Solatorio. For his second personal foul.
Pwede na to.
Sandy Cañete. 2 shots coming at the Channel Play. First shots. To the basket of the first shot. Second shots by Cañete. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. Addition score, second range score, 3 points made by the Eagles. Roll now. Playing the point for Uganda. With the ball. Looking for Aberdeen. It's Captain Alba. And with the pass, it is Swans from the ball. Looking about Valero. O'Horan. Shot back on the ball. Using the string, take a counter. And a pass for O'Horan. 3 minutes and 4 seconds left. Torreña. University. Lisa. And it's over. Mexico. Making a Marianta. Moving play. At the counter. Alasa. Out of house by Alba. 2 minutes and 47 seconds left. Torreña. Pino. Looking for Anthony. University. Torreña. University. Starting. Cañete. Nice in the defense, pick up the foul. The foul for the charge number 11.
Torenya. Isa. Torenya. Tapos ang Torena. Sabi Torenya.
Torenya na sila dua ta. Kaya,
Wala. Ano ang sa inyo?
oo, wala na nangyayari.
Second chance.
Ang hangin. Palidon, kapukagin.
Wala. Taking Campbell. Hussein. Making a Torreña. At the pass. Carlos. Lays up. At the pass. Hussein. Moving by Cañete. To the pass. Pick up the foul. The foul was 7. Charge number 14. For Roland. First personal foul. 2 minutes and 13 seconds left. Cañete. The channel play. Intervention to the Carson. Second shot. Shorts from the ball. Opening by Alba. Torreña. On the pass for the Yeho. Off the game. Interception. Lisa. Lisa is playing down to Torreña. Shorts. Looking by Roland. Russell Shea. Was struck out of bounds. 150 seconds left. Shot clock down to 17. Roland to Osorio. Roland reverse on the left side. Take a jumper. Short. Holding by Cañete. Then Lisa. 8 seconds violations. 8 seconds violations. Turnover. 1 minute and 36 seconds left. 10 minutes more. Alternances. 4 points lead. Hold it now. Shut down on 5. 1 minute and 22 seconds left. Pedro Torreña. To Cañete, to Juan. Ángel Torreña, give it a swing. Notable, shot clock on 10. Under the basket. By Cañete, Shorts. Interception, involved with the ball by Alba. Intercepted by Cañete. Cañete, after the jumper down to Lisa, intercepted by Alba. As the play, Orlando Lisa with Barca to the foul. That's the counts for the charge number 7. Pablos, 44 seconds left. Roland at the channel play for the 4 shots. Uno siya sa kayo. George, holding the Cañete. 40 seconds left. Urania. The Cañete number 5. Initial break on his way. George. There was a foul on the rebound play. And the foul was spotted. Charge number 5. Lisa. 30 seconds left. 30 segundos ang natuloy. Mawalan. Luiba, looking rapidly. Alma, take a jumper. Too strong. Well taken by Lisa. Take one, take it from Valpayo. 10 seconds left. 7 seconds left. Mawalan. 3 seconds left. Next one. Next one. Number 7, number 20, number 19, number 16, number 20 of Mamba. For the community, we have no Rika, Ognes, Yasa, Nagugos.
Kaliro.
Si Manubay daw.
Delgado, on his way, on his last, strong. Original. Woman comes to original. On his way. And protection. From the original. One ball. Little English ball. Maluban. Fernando Levan. By Fuentes. He can foul. The foul was second. Charge number 8. Number 20. Pilante. Fuentes. The charge play. Uches Sami. First shots. For the basket. There was a whistle. Sticking in the line. No basket. No basket. Second shots. Two for two. 1 for 2 by Fuentes. Then number 20. Pilante. Bring the ball. Pilante versus the ball. Lasas by Rojo at the line. Maluban, the ball. At the original. Original on his way down to Diamante for 2. Discípulo, Durán, take a jumper, Hussein. There was a whistle on the rebound play, and the foul was footed. Charge number 21, Magbanwa, a pushing foul. Durán loading for Discípulo. On his way, to the middle, George. There was a whistle. The foul was footed on the rebound play. Charge number 7, Discípulo. We have now Maluban. 5 minutes and 49 seconds left. Starting Fuentes. On his way. Out for the shots. George holding by Discípulo. That's his way. To the front court. To Plante. We have now Durán. At the referee, out to Disipolo. Penalty, yes, motivated ng Bamba. Tumalubang. 5:21 seconds left. Dahil sa Bamba, nakasisway, Marisat, to shine. Para ang the George, ay the top, Disipolo, Ignacio, 15 against 8. 7 points to Eagles. Disipolo, Tubulan. Rojo, at ang Agashi, Sean, Butulay, Namutan. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Diamante, on his way at the left counter wing. Started Manila, intercepted by Disipolo. Penalty now to Disipolo. Vigilante, Latinsuel, Marco Delgado, Tudulan, Henry Break, Marco Plante, shot like out the way, Disipolo, take a pass, working it out to Aponte, Tumaluba. Hindi na, has the ball. Magbanwa on the shot, and shot, and outside to Tudulan, Magbanwa. 4 minutes left. 17 against 8. 9 points left tayo nito minutes. Duran. Tukalante. Take a jumper. Moreno. 3 points by Tukalante. Making score. 11 against 17. 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. Malubay. All shots to Penalty. And the fourth wing. Back to Malubay. Original. At the center. Slicing rebounds, the Toronto is strong, voting by Duran, rushing to the Toronto, looking for Napoli, roll to Duran, back roll. Timeout called by Brumba, time down to 3 minutes and 14 seconds to end the second personal. We score 17 against 11. 6 points left by Little Wings. Our next game, the game between
The original sa Caballeros.
the Originals and
Wala mang galang, ang tawagin. Same.
Ara.
I mean, wala galang. Kaya galang din.
Cellphone ko nga lang dun.
Matulog ay 3 minutes and 14 seconds na. Magbanwa, tumalubay. Pwede na nakikang tatlo. One goal for the baseline for the 2 minutes and 54 seconds left. 19 against 11. Nagpapalante, masasabay. To Disipolo. Manibas, at the second, sa Original. Rising Sway, Original, bounce from the Banwa. Yeah. Thank you very much. What? Two minutes and 24 seconds left. Pilante. Tublante, Ricardo, George, scramble the ball, voting by Ro, turn shot, George, voting by Flores, 6 seconds up, music it wrong, outbounds by Fuentes. 2 minutes and 17 seconds left. The running bounty, yan now Disipolo. Tublante. Maneuver sa direction, right up to Shaw, and the guy Cremonte. On the pass, and by Fuentes. Against Tulan, Tumaluba. 1 minute and 58 seconds left. Yamonte, at the left of the wing. Maneuver sa direction, Shaw, and the guy Rojo. Interception, and Lupa. 1 minute and 30 seconds. River lost the ball to Pilante. Disipolo. Delivers the baseline. There was a whistle. A foul was spotted. Charge number 20. Number 29. Timeout called by Little Nimitz. Time down to 1 minute and 29 seconds. With a score 21 against 11. 10 points lead by Little Nimitz. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 29 seconds left. Disipolo at the Charlie Clay, Fusion City, first shots. Pinag basket. Second shots. Pinag by Disipolo. 13 against 21. 127 seconds left. Lubay. Bounce pass to Pimardo. Tumalabay. Original. Use the ball. And 3-ball violations. 3-ball violations. Lubay. Original. A passing error. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 13 seconds left.
Kahit kumpleto yung mo player. Kaya do, kumpleto player mo. Beng, imbong, kumpleto player mo.
Advantage George was the guy to press. 58 seconds left. Get to Peralta, to Nova, back to Peralta. Vargas, who's down, taken by Duran. Racing sway, down to Peralta. On the baseline, George, taken by Original, taken foul. And the foul was set at charge number 28, Peralta. 40 seconds left. Second personal foul by Peralta. Lubay, Lima, Original. Monte loses the ball. 26 seconds left. Disipolo. Fortunato. Pato Duran. Take it down for Guillermo. Going to the Fuentes. 9 seconds left. Fuentes. On his way to Santos. 4. 3 seconds left. Duran. Disipolo. The second passer with the score. 21 against 14. 8 points lead by Little Nimitz. Next part. Kate kurang isang Nimitz. Kate kurang isang Nimitz. Okay.
Ang Nimitz,
Kate kurang isang Nimitz. Kulang sila. Ha? Kumalupay, sunod malupay. O Petro, Mamba Petro.
Okay lang tayo.
Ayan, bye. Salamat.
Wala. Prito mo na sa uniform.
Ano ni Gadin, eh?
Ah.
Las Pasares. Maria. Pagkilala. Samson Pusera. Yasin. On this way, there was contact in the foul basket at fraction number 25.
Samsung.
Samson. Piazza di Banti to Aguiles. Berno Malubay. Back to Aguiles. Nabugos. Dito na Catherine. Second. Against Jensen. Pass for Lorinda. Yasin. Open pass. Itagos. Nazis way. Tamo dito ni Suela. Isa. And the pass for Itagos. Lorinda. Sekarang Jumbo. Little minutes more, little minutes.
Nag-ulangan sila.
Inbound sinyo.
Inbound ninyo, tapos sila naman kayo na. Mulo ka lang. O baguano na lang.
Yasin. Putamigas. Balikan tayo Lorinda na. On the 30. Compactor, Maria in the shooter of the basket. 5 minutes and 24 seconds left. With no Hollywood. Yasin. Itagos. On the 3 Bansa. Over the Lorinda. Yasin. 5 minutes left. Inbound violations. Stick on the line.
May time out ka dahil.
Wala na.
Wala na, wala na time out.
Yung bata, 30 na.
Nice inbounding. Punita. Antisota. Regularly. Antisota for Johnson. Basket for Yasin. Number 2, Roland. Very fast, short. Open by Thunderbird. Open pass from the Basson. Basson straight. To Agnes. Take a jump to Yarmo. Foul was followed, charge number 18.
19.
Or number 19, Lipaw. Tumura now. 4 minutes and 15 seconds left. Samson for Lorinda. Back to Quirona. Shot clock down to 10. In the second, from Lipaw. Lanza on the mountains. 4 minutes and 4 seconds left. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Yasin rebounding. Yasin na. Chino. Spot to Tamagos. Round to rebound. Moving to the baseline. With a chance. He's strong. Ball taken by Juluna.
Number 3. 3 ba?
Why ah? Nag-distract ang dami kayo naman.
Agnes.
Ang uwat ka ko, tira ka.
Shot clock down to 7. There was a contact. And the foul was with the charge number 30, number 30, Kumbate. 3 minutes and 22 seconds left. Angeles in the inbound. Spartacus, back to Angeles. On Spartacus, on his way, was back to the foul. And the foul was open. Charge number 30, Kumbate.
Dua na lang.
Second personal foul, sending Pablos in the count 3. 2 shots coming. 2 shots by Pablos. Lord for the third shot. Second shot. Long and long. Corona on the pass. Corona against Williams. There was a whistle and the foul was spotted. Charge number 26. Angeles on his first personal foul, sending Corona and the charge 3. 2 shots coming. First shot to make basket for 1. Second shot by Corona. 3 minutes and 7 seconds left. 2 for 2 by Corona. Making score 23 against 27. Little League still on top by 4 points. We have no Jason, Aros by Anton. This is the ball. Corona on his way and the circle. Ball by the Little League. Time down to 2 minutes and 50 seconds with the score 27 against 25. Little League still on top by 2 points. Our second game, the game between
The original, so?
The original sa Caballeros.
our second game, the game between Originals and Caballeros.
May dito, di.
Di Gabriel. Di
The
original.
original.
Ah.
Sige.
Our second game, the game between the Originals against Caballeros. Now Jason. 2 minutes and 45 seconds left. Jason, with the stay, delivers to the pin, down to Rica. At Combate.
Ito mukha mo.
Delora. On his way, and the last circle. Deadlock at 27 now. Deadlock at 27. 2 minutes and 21. Luman. Satu rebound. Back to Luman. To Jason. Deadlock on 10. Pasillero. 2 minutes and 6 seconds left. Zamora, with the ball. Corona against Jason. With the swing, Corona take it up to strong. Zamora has the ball. Combate operations. Goal! Welcome by Maria. Stepping the line. 1 minute and 42 seconds left. 1 minute and 42. Alex. To Jason. Jason swing. Jason at the center. Pick up the foul. And the foul was spotted. Charge number 2. Zamora. Sending Jason at the carry play with 1 minute and 35 seconds with the third personal. Jason now in the carry play. First shots. And now, no picture. Second shots by Jason. Still deadlock at 27 on. Number 4 by Jason. In game stop the game. To one point. Now 122 seconds left. Zamora. And the pass is down. Open by Hula. And moving to the inside to go against the side. Don't take it behind us. One side to the line. Mbappe. And Neymar. Zamora in the play on the shot. Usman. Moving again. A problem by Usman. 105 seconds left. 105 seconds. Lesson. One big plan. Pablo. You can say, you can see foul. And we got screen ball in the
Bench, one bench sabi ko.
bench warning, hindi ko honda. Bench ko warning. Simon ba? Zamora. 53 seconds left. Zamora. Time to the body. Banda. Single. 10-second shot left. 10-second shot left. Usman with the Martinez. Alex is Jason. Alone. 1 second to 30 seconds left.
Hindi masigil ito ako.
Mexico with the
Hindi ko talaga ako
Martinez.
like.
The first one, the Fabulous Monza, Banster 16 seconds left. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Santana in center, Santana with the Nelson, 3 seconds left. Ano si Mendoza? Ano si Mendoza?
Makita nila nga lang.
Ato, meron ba?
We have a score, 22 against 27. 5.35 legal minutes.
Wait, ano na dito? Oh, kaswa.
Tunugan? Tunugan? Tunog ah? Matiyo.
Nadinego ma...
Matiyo, hindi sa piyak ka rin. Ay, hindi na yun. Baka na sound system.
Ay, Lobe.
Gawad lagi niya sa likod. Takay ka.
Ang amigay sa sektor, guys, ha?
Pinabulaw.
Upward shoot.
Upward ko naman. Wala ko na siya.
Only a fortune out. Courtesy by Mr. Dalray Liman.
Okay, okay lang.
Okay.
Okay.
Ulo ka tao ba?
Okay, okay.
Tok.
Basta yung tao. Ulo.
Pulo ka tao.
2,000 at stake. Bosman.
Upward, Basman.
Upward.
Half court.
Ang pulo.
Ala. Pulo na na. Talaga. Ah, gani.
One down. Busel Japon, Busel. Tatlong tali, Tapos. Tatlong tali, Tapos.
Gabay pa.
Alright. Tatlo na. 3 and down. Pito pa, pito.
Cute
Hindi
yan.
ang shoot out receive by Mr. Glenway Doriman. Alright. Hindi na magtugang kay Gabriel Pantay. Wah, patay. Nice try. Oh, ay. Kumanan, ganyan. Bukan dito. Bukan dito. Back to the ball game for the third quarter of the game. Original Maudi, Gason.
Todo ako nung ka-28 to.
Pagletter.
Ayun, duwa na ilat yung date.
Original baseline, Gason for two.
Diyan. Dua ka ba, Jet? Dua ka ba, Jet?
Oh. Ibrahim, we have no Roland. Zipolo. He's wrong, holding by Original. Yes, now. Ibrahim, Yason. On the trade down to Downward to Yason. Lisa, at the baseline, maneuver. Back out of the floor. Original. He's wrong, moving by number 14. Corona. Intercepted by Lisa, another pass. Number Jason to the counter. He's wrong. There was a foul away from the ball. The foul was spotted. Johnson number 28. Corona. O taga-identification. Gahapon kayo kang sunod si Fran, kaya si Roman.
Hindi nakadungan.
O taga-identification.
Hindi na po, hindi kadungan, Ked. Hindi siya pagdunganin.
Ambos, Original. At the baseline, basket for two. 8 minutes and 42 seconds now. 36-27. For one out, to the shots will down. Defended by Lisa. Out the back, Connected. Against Roman. Then, back out to Hunter. There is a Lisa for 8 minutes and 15 seconds now. 29-36. Right, 7-3. Inyate, Makobiaso, Olisa, Shot clock down to 8. Last time, 6-second shot clock. Shot clock down to 6. 6 segundos ang tuloy sa shot clock. Take a champion, Minerva. Opening by Roland. Locking his way to Roland. Pick up a foul. And the foul was started. Charge number 5, Lisa. Substitution. 7 minutes and 48 seconds left.
Lisa lang doon.
Second personal foul by Lisa. Roland and the foul play. 2 shots early. And the first shot to the answer. Second shot. Porter by Roland. Yasan to Carlos. Marcos Yasan. And Medina. Carlos, shot clock on to 9. 5-second shot clock. Original. There was a contact. The ball was put to number 14. Substitution.
Tawagain mo ka, ma'am.
Second personal foul by Roland. First shots by Original. No corrections. 7 minutes and 24 seconds left. Second shots by Original. One for two. 37-31. Little Minutes to the top by 6 points. With 7 minutes and 17 seconds left. Roland. By Discipolo. One shot for the ball. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. With Madrasa. Signature play. Cayeto. Lasa. Substitution. Delgado again replacing Discipolo. Original Mountain. Antagos take a counter. Minerva multiplied by Yazon. 8-second shot clock. Original to pass of the last quarter. 6 minutes and 49 seconds left. 39 against 51. Delgado.
Sinusilaw din.
Lasas. Shot clock down to 11. 11-second shot clock. Roland bounding. Stopping. Delante. By pass. Stop. Moving down. Cayeto. Okay. Lasas by Carlos.
Ito ka, nandakan ka pa.
Hi.
Papa.
Delgado. Delgado. Roland. Middle straight. Roland. Delante. Roland. Number 2. Yamonte. Roland. Middle straight. Roland middle straight was blocked by Original. 5 minutes and 51 seconds left. Shot clock down to 11. Delante for Roland for 2. Making score 53-41. Yasan. Middle straight. Yasan delivers down to 11. And with the pass for 2. 5 minutes and 26 seconds left. Delante. Crucial pass. Bulora. Take it down. An airball. Out of bounds. 33-43. Little Venezuela up by 10 points. 5 minutes and 15 seconds for the third quarter. Yazara. Biro, looking robbery. Spotted Candete at the right quarter ring. Yasan to the center. Goes long. Scramble from the ball.
Oo, third quarter na.
Pass the play. Roland to Delante. He's a pass for 35-43. Little Venezuela, 8 points. Lina to Yasan. Candete, Megicano, points by Candete to 1. 4 minutes and 33. Roland, running down for 45. 37-46. Yasan to Tabugos. Atletico Tuwis, Atletico Candete. Shot clock on the line. 5 seconds shot. Yasan in possession. There was a whistle on the foul shot. Council number 24. Tabugos. Substitution. 4 minutes and 5 seconds left. 4 minutes and 5 seconds for the third quarter. With a score, 37-46.
Sa table ba kayo? Ang isang sa table.
Pinante, who's wrong, but you can Carlos of the pass. Nelson against Bulbora, who's on top. Taken by Corona, Nelson is wrong. Taken by Candete. Number 1, was Dorothy on the pass. Carlos, there was a contact, and the foul was started. Charge number 24. Carlos, substitution.
Iwasan na nga.
Second personal foul by Tabugos. 3 minutes and 39 seconds left. Little Minix still on top by 9 points. Aurelia rebounding to Roland. Delante. Delgado. Alicia. Zanisas. He's wrong, working by Candete at the pass. Nelson represents for 2. 3 minutes and 15 seconds left. 28-37. Roland. Lorena, heavy shot. Delgado back to Lorena. To the counter. He's wrong, working by Piamonte. And Yasan. Signaling a play. Sabutado sa ikaw. Ang airball out of bounds. 2 minutes and 44 seconds left. Roland. Pass the play. Laurelia. And it's a basket for 2. 39-48. 2 minutes and 51 seconds left. With Marisa, with Yasan. Give it a screen, Yasan out. Recovers the ball by Carlos. Running fast, throw. And the basket by Candete for 2. 2 minutes and 13 seconds left. 50-39. Roland. Lorena, take a jumper. Too strong, don't take it by Piamonte. Yasan, pass the play. And to Santa, to Roland, pass the play to Pilante. Against Yasan, Pilante, on the jumper. Basket for Pilante. 1 minute and 44 seconds left. Yasan.
Timeout sila.
Agete. Lisa, ready to take. Final shot, good. Followed by Abigail Smatu. 1 minute and 24 seconds left. Roland, alas by Biason. Roland, running shot, short. Multiple by Fernando to pass. Lisa has no problem. Alam Gustavo, Olivier, Richard, basket for by Abigail. 1 minute and 2 seconds left. Interception by Emily. Interception. Russell to the paper. Basket for by Abigail. Mamba. With only 53 seconds left.
Buwan natin, no? Diyan. Isang lang.
Third quarter.
Ang takiyo ng season ang pang.
Ang sila tayo mo sa piyak.
Ano tayo? Sino dapat kong lang?
Hindi na nila mag-iwan. Tatlo bigay.
Ang third quarter, hindi niya magamit ako. Hindi na sa tayo.
Pero yung sunay niyo, ligaw.
Yung third quarter, ganyan kayo mag-alit.
Tatlong time out sa tayo.
Kung magkakuhan, ilan na yung nag-shot time so ilan yung bula mo. Third quarter, isa. Buwa ka time out dyan.
With 53 seconds left. The signal to Roland to the jumper is strong. Political by Slovenia. At the goal. Fabulous is very late. Goal. Political goal. Salvo. Yeah, it's goal. Paulus. And then the pass. Paulus at the 24. 33 seconds left. Disciplo. Started. Mamba. Interception. Open by Campos, with Monterrey, for the Campos, you saw open by Disciplo, was his way, 17 seconds left. Lunora, by Alba, after the pass, George, open by Yuba, 10 seconds left. Fernando, 5 seconds left. Campos, on his way, to strong. We score 58 against 41. 17 points led by Little Eagles. And next game between the Originals against Caballeros.
Ano third game?
Sut versus the Originals. Open na yan.
With the first game,
Mambabula.
open category. Sunshot against the Originals.
Fourth game, Dianta SB Knights versus Ihos.
And for the fourth game, for the open, we have SB Knights against Eagles. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Last and final quarter games. Last and final quarter games.
Silaw na diyan. Dulong-dulong. Tubig.
Disciplo, pegando, strong. Open by Roland. On espacio tirante, to Roland. Basket by Roland. 9 minutes and 43 seconds left. Yason. Rinwald. At the Rodney. At the Original. At the Ragatuloy. At the Yason. Ang tapos po ay balik na Roland, Islante, Roland, pegando, usado, Aldegamay, Cañete, Original, Cañete, Mesa, Gol, Lazas, ay Benito Miguel. 9 minutes and 3 seconds left. 60-43. Roland. May sponsor Pilate, and this is the bait. Ikaw pa, nababawa sulit. Council number 2. Ramonte. Sending Roland at the charity. 2 shots coming. 3 shots staying Roland. Move the next one to the first shots. Second shots. 8 minutes and 58 seconds left. Same connections, once again by original. Retro Yasin. Manas by Discipulo. And with it, original down to his basket for 2. 62-49, 19 points here. 8 minutes and 35. Pilante, take a camper, moves round. Sarang move on the ball. Voting by Pilante, to the Discipulo. Motion pass, Unola. Take a camper, basket for 2 by Bruno. 8 minutes and 15 seconds left. Yes, sir. Totalmente. Yes, sir. Down to Ramonte, short, motivated by Romero, Pacheco, Pilante, to Discipulo. By the little minutes, time down to 7 minutes and 15 seconds. With a score, 62 against 45. 17 points lead by little minutes.
Prepare sa utang dapat boy. Tatlo gid.
Squat bang ko.
Kasi naging bilang yan. Kasi naging bilang.
Kami mga kuwain.
Dito sa
Nagluwag.
Kuwato ka? Mamang ka.
Oo. Kung hindi magpa kami mga kuwain.
Sa gislog na lang kada si Outlam.
dala ko na yan. Konso ko na.
Yes, sir. Totalmente, take a camper, moves round. Lasas by Cañete number 8. 7 minutes and 37 seconds left. Pilante. Interceptions. We have Cañete number 8 as a play. Santiago, maybe to the break. Cañete was blocked by Pulana out of bounds. And Lede was wrapped, broken by Alba on the play. Pilante goes round, broken by Pilante. Lasas out of bounds. 7 minutes and 7 seconds left. Yes, sir. Ngayon. Yes, Cañete. Just like for the third. Original. Basket down. Second down. And the ball on the country number 28. Pilante. Sunod ball. Pilante. Third personal foul by Pilante. Bonus shots by Original. Triple conversions by Original. With a score, 65-45. 6 minutes and 43. Discípulo, yo, Yago Pablo, Yago Sui, Abu number 7, Alfred Yason. Mason Shaw, Bogdan by Lorena, Tujulola, Rami Camper, Ortonas, Susla, Ibigay by Cabeto, Italos, and Masas. 6 minutes and 17 seconds left. Yason, Otávez, Añete, Otávez, la executada, apoyarse, Carolina, Positei, la Roman, Aurora Rosley, Picampao, una Paula Soper, caso number 7, August, 5 minutes and 56 seconds left. No shots by Roman, no pressure, second shot. 1-2 by Roman. Try by Mamba. I'm down to 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Real score, 65 against 46.
Oh, isang lang ang bansin, oh.
Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 56 seconds left. Roman. Tatla to the 10. Basket by Roman for 2. Blessing. Algo. Blessing. Anite, tatla to the 10. A traveling violations.
Oh, may saber sa biyak. May saber sa biyak.
A possession by Riva. Tuloy ko rin, ito mo yan, kaya ang panggulo din sa ganyan ng lubos. Nasa na, nasa tublot, nasa na. Substitution.
Tatlo na siya.
Third prisoner of all by Tagobos. Roland. In second second, Roland is fouled by Maylita. Atalos, presenta by Roland. Tumanggang po, basket po po by Roland. 4 minutes and 51 seconds left. Substitution. Abu Sukali for Yason. Yason, out of the mountain, the baseline for 2. 67-50. Rodora. Rodilla. Rodora. Roland. Rodora. Ricardo. Marcel Corpo. 4 minutes and 16 seconds left. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Substitution. Vámonos, el blanco, gol, Pianante, gol, el negro, Cruzón, Strato de gol, una velocidad, capitán, Paula Sol, casi un portín, Roland, Sandy Molina, the Charity, Coach Samuel, third personal foul by Roland, 3 minutes and 51 seconds left. Original. It's possible. The first shot. Second shot. And connections. On the entry. Leonardo, Vigilante, Roland, Division Viewers, at the shots basket controlled by Roland. 3 minutes and 33 seconds left. Original. After the game, presented, Leonardo. On his way, lays up to his round, once again by Original with the Juliette. Passing error on bounds. 3 minutes and 12 seconds left. Original, Quimante. Tucson, multiple by Original, Rebel Tigers. Jason. Time to Yamante, Shaw, Rebel Tigers, multiple by Alba, Tigam Wow. The power center, Josh number 2, Yamante. Apat na lang kating fouls.
Dua na nung Clemente.
Second personal foul by Clemente. Roland is on game for the Bulls. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. 56-68. Juliette. Interception. Roland. Goal to Roland to Clemente. At the same time,
Dali lang, get.
Ikaw na, napakalaking chance na pagpapapor. Pagulong, timeout for mga dalito minutes. Time down to 2 minutes and 24 seconds. With a score, 68 against 56. Little minutes on top of 12 points.
Tapos tatlo nang tapos.
I'm pretty sure about the Tigers. And little minutes enters the penalty situation. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 24 seconds left. Penalty. Penalty. Kuchisani. First shots. No basket for the first shot. Second shot. Still no connections. Voted by Alba. Mr. Strong. Last shot by Piazza. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. Shot clock down to 13. 13 seconds. unfortunate. Alba, the baseline, good. Open by Felix, 58. Nelson to the Tigers, basket by Jackson. Last 2 minutes. Pilante, points by Pilante. 59-17. Backboard. Rangers appear in the court. One minute and 47 seconds left. Still on top by 11 points on Little League. Rogan to Pilante, to the jumper. Short to the net. Jagote, to Jackson, with the Cowboys, at the baseline against Rogan. Pass to the Cowboys. 1 minute and 28 seconds left. Rogan. Roland to the jumper of the last 2. 1 minute and 11 seconds left. Original with the ball. Opening by Roland. On share to the jumper basket for 2. 1 minute and 2 seconds left. 1 minute left. Interception. Moving by Biasa. Received by Pilante for 2. 48 seconds left. Guevara is wrong. 38 seconds left. Now by Pilante. 3 fouls. Pilante is 4 personal foul. Tatlo pa lang na team fouls. 31 seconds left. Nelson. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. 16 seconds left. Asselborn. 11 seconds left. Little Leagues. Open the round.
Pictures na natin.
Ay, kudak pre.
Oo.
Open picture mo. Buhatin. Picture na lang.
Tapos,
Picture mo.
Player of the game.
sa damo.
Tapos go.
Open the round. Shooters. Picture mo.
Biason man.
Biaso.
Biason. Biason. Pa, player of the game, Biason.
Our player of the game. Yason of Little Leagues. Pakotak na. Pakotak na. Our second game.